Hello, my name is Ben, and today we're going to be talking about air pollution. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is when harmful gases, particles, or substances enter the atmosphere. Air pollution can have damaging effects on humans, animals, and the overall environment as it puts pollutants in, which are very hazardous. Common air pollutants are nitrogen dioxide, ozone, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. So, what contributes to air pollution? Well, we have natural, which is something like a volcano, and then we have um, pollutants from a car or industrial smoke from chemical plants. Volcano pollutants commonly are carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Car pollutants are carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds. And chemical plant pollutants are chemical plant pollutants are nitrogen oxides, volatile organic compounds, and sulfur dioxide. These are just a few of the pollutants from these items. So, why does air pollution matter? Air pollution causes respiratory issues, which affects immunocompromised people, elderly, and children, and they get heavily affected by these by air pollution. It can also lead to cancer because of carcinogens in the air, and it also harms the environment because it creates greenhouse gases, and those trap methane, carbon dioxide, which then traps heat and causes global warming. As the infographic to the right shows, natural heat can dissipate, but when you have greenhouse gases, it traps it and overall warms the planet. So, what can we do to mitigate air pollution? We can start by getting away from single occupancy cars and start using public transportation like buses, trains, and even carpooling to a degree. We can promote things like biking to work, which is a very clean transportation alternative, and even walking if possible. We can switch to clean energy like solar, and that gets away from powering your house or apartment or whatever from with fossil fuels. And most importantly, we can also put pressure on politicians to support green energy initiatives and create green spaces, which are highly beneficial to cities and act not only as a gathering point for the community, but a place where you can get clean air, and also it helps reduce pollution by taking it out of the air. So, thank you.